Good morning to the students of class 6. Students, today again chapter 22, drawing of different geometrical figures. Children, keep your geometry boxes ready before you start listening to the explanation from the video. In the previous class, we have learned how to draw an angle which is similar to another angle with the help of scale and compass only. Now in today's class, we will learn how to draw or how to do an angle bisection, that is how to bisect a given angle. So question number 5, bisect any given angle with the help of scale, pencil and compass. So first, before bisecting, we need to draw the angle. So you draw the base first. The base you are drawing a ray. You mark a point B, mark C over here, and here also from the point B you are drawing a ray and mark point A over here. So finally you are getting an angle ABC. Now before bisecting, what you need to do, you are going to take any radius of your wish, any means the length of any radius you can take, then place the pointer at B. You are cutting an arc in this way. I hope you all can see, you are cutting an arc in this way. Now, mark the 2 points as E and F. That means the point E will lie on side BC of angle ABC and point F will lie on side AB of angle ABC. Then after that, you are going to take this E point, place the pointer of the compass at E point, then till F you find, that is, it is the full radius, and if I consider till here, it will be half radius, that means half of the arc. For that, what we will do, for bisecting we need to keep the arc which is more than half. I hope you all can see, this is more than half. So taking the measurement, taking the length of the arc as more than half, you are going to draw an arc like this. Again, you are going to place the pointer at F and with the same measurement, make sure that the arc length does not changes. Then you cut over here. Now you are getting a particular point of intersection. Then with this point, you are joining the point, that is the vertex of the angle ABC. The point B you are joining and extending, and you mark an arrow over here. Now you mark point D. So students, we can say that BD, the line BD is bisecting the angle ABC. So after drawing the angle bisection, after doing the angle bisection, we will write the conclusion. Angle ABC is bisected and angle ABD, that is this particular angle, equals to angle DBC, that is this particular angle. So these two angles are of equal measure since they are bisected. Alright students, so in this way you are going to do the angle bisection. So follow the steps from the video and do the construction yourself. Thank you all for today.